Hi everyone, how are you today?
We're fine, sir. What about you?
I'm perfect. It's Friday morning, so we have class. We practice English on Friday, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's start. So can I ask you some questions?
Yes, of course, sir.
Okay, first I will start with Mashbo. It's difficult name, but I love that. So can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. It's me, Mashfa Sadid. I'm from Coxbazar. I'm a student of school. My school name is Baitusharf Jabbari Academy School and College, Coxbazar. I study in class 7.
All right, that's cool. And Ayman,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, and what about you?
I'm perfect. So where did you go last few days?
Sir, I went to my grandparents' house because my father was distributed some blankets between the poor people.
That's social work. That's good job. I love that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what don't you give in Cox's Bazar?
Oh, sorry.
I see a lot of poor people in Cox's Bazar.
We will give next.
Okay, let's see. So, Mariam,
Yes, sir.
how was your vacation? How was that?
Sir, my vacation was great,
All right.
but it wasn't very good because my mom had a surgery on her leg.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's okay. So, Mariam, do you have any pets?
Yes, sir. I have many pets. I'm a pet lover person. That's why I have 7 dogs, 6 fishes, and 3 goats.
Oh,
But it's very difficult to maintain all of them.
all right. I can see it's like a zoo. You have many animals, but it's good job. You are just helping them.
Yes. Sir.
Nice. So, what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor because I like to help the poor people.
Job. All right, Ayman. So, can you describe your quality?
Yeah, I'm a hard worker, responsible, dedicated, and a positive person. And I always speak the truth, and I never abused anyone. And that's
Alright.
my qualities.
Good job. So, Mariam,
Yes, sir.
do you have some qualities?
Yes, sir. I have many qualities.
Go on.
My qualities are I'm a hard worker, responsible, and dedicated person. I always try to tell the truth, and I never hurt anyone.
Oh, that's nice. I love that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, Mashwa, tell me one quality.
Sir, my quality is I'm a hard worker.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So, Ayman, what's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor because I want to help the poor people, and that's always been my dream.
Okay. And you?
Sir, my future plan is to be a Navy officer because firstly, I want to serve my motherland. Secondly, the white uniform of Navy officers and the diplomacy always attracts me. And finally, my father is a Navy officer.
I know that. That's why you want to be
Yes,
like your
sir.
father, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anyone who wants to be an English teacher? Maybe no.
No, sir.
Oh, no, sir. Okay. So, let's talk another things. Mashwa, what does your father do
My father is a lecturer and he lectured in a college.
in college? Good job. Like me. Okay. Ayman, what's your father do?
Oh, my father is a businessman of UI.
Okay. I don't want to ask you because I know your father.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yes, we can talk about mother. So, tell me, everyone, what does your mother do?
So my mother is a homemaker.
And you?
Sir, my mother is also a homemaker. She cooks for us and she works very hard.
Okay.
My mother is also a homemaker, but he teaches me.
Yes. I